Out of nearly 200 nations on earth, there is one country that is practically uninvadable. No, it's not the United States and it's not Russia. It's actually Switzerland. This tiny European nation is surrounded by giant world powers, yet it hasn't been invaded in over 2 centuries. First, look at the geography. Switzerland is a literal natural fortress nestled inside the rugged Alps. During World War II, the Swiss wired every single bridge, tunnel, and highway with explosives. If an enemy stepped foot across the border, the Swiss military could blow up their own infrastructure in seconds, locking down the country. Secondly, they built thousands of hidden bunkers directly inside the solid rock of the mountains. But the real deterrent is their population. Switzerland has a mandatory conscription system. This means almost every household has a trained citizen soldier ready to fight at a moment's notice. Would you ever try to cross these mountains? Let me know in the comments.